What is up, you guys? Welcome to your 21st tutorial of programming in C. And in this tutorial I would like to talk some more stuff about two-dimensional arrays. I actually forgot to tell you this in the previous tutorial, but I'll tell you this in this tutorial, and we'll get back to the tutorial when I complete our on the 2D array. Okay, so the thing is, when you take the in the previous tutorial, we just took the inputs from the user and we printed out the matrix. What you can do is you can actually declare like two-dimensional arrays like this, and you can run two nested for loops, and you can store different matrix in these two variables, two arrays, and then you can declare one more 2D array, and you can store the sum of these two element by element in this array, and you can actually print out the sum of the matrix. So that's what you can do with the matrix and 2D arrays. So just go around, play with it. You can do almost all the algebras of the matrix, and it's pretty fun to do. So go ahead. I always encourage you guys to do this. It will increase your skills of programming. So that's all I wanted to tell you guys. I actually forgot to tell you, but there you go. So now I'll talk to you about a different data type, which is character. Okay, I'll actually stop talking about arrays for now, but we will get back to arrays in no time. Maybe in the next tutorial itself I'll get back to arrays, but for now I'll tell you guys about this very new data type. We have seen integer, we have seen integer, we have seen float, float, we have seen float, and and the third data type which I want to tell you about is the character, char. That's the syntax for declaring the character, and let's just declare a character a. Now A is a character data type, so it will store all the characters, right? Now how do we declare the characters? How do we initialize the characters? Now remember, a character variable can only hold one single character. Okay, right? It can be A or B or C or anything like that, or it can be special symbols like plus, equal to, something like that, or it can be even numbers. Okay, so to initialize a character, you cannot just type F like that if you want to make the F store in A. You actually need to type this single quotes, and inside these single quotes you will type whatever the character you want A to store. So I'll store F because I like F. Okay, so let's print out A and see if it works. Now for printing out character type data, we actually use %C. Okay, and we print out A. A is a character data type, and we are printing out A. It must give up F. Let's see. Yeah, there it goes. So one thing you remember, guys, is that character data type only stores one character. You cannot type one whole sentence in here like hello. You cannot do this. Okay, so that's characters data type. And another thing, another very interesting thing I like to tell you is, let's just print out A this time, and let's run this. It prints out A. Very cool. Now what you can actually do is you can change this C to %D. Okay, let's run and see what happens. Okay, it gives us the value 97. Now there's something called as ASCII code. I'll type and show you. ASCII code, this is how it is spelled, and it has some full form like American Standard Coded, I don't know, something full form. You can just Google it if you want, but this ASCII table is used for the numbers that are given to the characters. Okay, each and every character in C programming is given a number. So A is given the number 97, as you saw earlier. If you run this code on your PC, it will show 97 too. So let's run for B this time. Hopefully it will give 98. Yeah, it gives 98. So C will be 99, D will be 100, and so on. uh, Capital A will be of different value. Let me run and show this to you. It is 65, so capital B will be 66, 67 for C, and so on. So what you can actually do is you can actually run a loop with starting from 65, which is capital A, and you can print a person C here when you give the value of 65 as A. So you can actually print out all the alphabets using a loop. Another thing is that if you just declare an integer variable, let's say A, and this was 65, so let me give A the value of 65, and let's print out character this time. Okay, remember A is an integer type value, which is 65, but we are printing out character. So let's run and hopefully it will give us capital A. It gave us an error. Okay, I forgot my semicolons, I'm so sorry. There you go. So let's run this, and there you go, A. Okay, this is how you make use of characters, and trust me, there are a lot of applications of characters. I'll be talking more on characters from the next video, and we will also get back to arrays. Okay, so this is all I wanted to tell you guys. So thanks for watching, and we meet in the next video.